check out this 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Mitsubishi says it's perfectly sized for adventure. What a perfect vehicle to take to the Hangout Festival. Spacious cargo area, unbelievable technology, and it's automatic. Climate control to keep us cool and comfortable seating. Just in case you want to take a few friends with you. Let's hit the road to Hangout.
There they are.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What are you guys doing?
Hey guys!
Hey!
What is going on, Tim and Leanne?
Thank God you just made it.
I know.
Were
I
you,
was hoping somebody we knew would come by.
were you were hitchhiking?
Yeah.
I was trying to see if the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy was correct.
Actually,
Well,
we're trying to get to Hangout, and parking in there is so terrible.
oh, gosh.
It is.
So we'll
Well, glad we
hitchhike
could
down
pick
there.
you up.
Yeah.
We've been out
Taking
there
the
for about
scenic
2
route.
hours, so.
Yes, exactly. Well, I'm glad we could come by and pick you guys up because I'm heading there too.
Nice. Bless. Now,
Alright.
you two are married and you host TLC in the mornings on 92 Zoo.
Yeah.
And what's that like, working with your beloved?
Well, it's interesting because we can say what we want when we don't have to worry about
Yeah.
somebody's feelings.
You
Yeah,
have to, you have to have a good relationship to be able to do that.
right, of course.
Of course, when we're not on the air, we're screaming.
And somehow I don't believe that.
And believe it or not, this is the 10th anniversary of Hangout, and 92 Zoo was and is the official radio station of Hangout Music
Really?
Very
Festival.
first
Yes,
year.
it is.
Wow.
You're
Yep.
number one.
I know that y'all get so
I
excited.
remember going out on the beach with Shawl Zislin and him telling me about where they were going to put stages for this new idea that he had for a music festival. So
10
it's been
years
it's been
later.
a long time.
Yes, it has indeed.
Congratulations.
Wow, and this year's going to be big too, and we're going to be literally broadcasting from right across the street from the main stage.
I know that y'all are so excited.
We're
Yes,
still
we
bringing
are.
in artists and doing interviews, performances, setting it up now. It's a lot of great
So our
artists playing there,
viewers,
too.
so our viewers are gonna have to listen in to 92 Zoo to hear all these exclusive interviews.
Yeah, trust me, nobody knows the people in the industry like Tim and Leanne do.
Yeah.
And they know they're a married couple too, so they don't mess with them.
That's
So we're not four-wheel driving this, right?
Oh, yeah,
I
we're going
know.
to need it.
Sand's not going to be a problem.
No,
No, not
Not at all. No,
Okay,
it's
cool.
going to roll right over
It's
the
a
dudes,
pretty
baby.
nice ride here.
It's
I
a
gotta
sweet ride.
say.
You guys have plenty of room in the back, and I love the new
Right.
car smell
Almost
of
like
these
they have
mobile
to.
Mitsubishis.
What was your, since you guys were there from the beginning, because I wasn't, what's your favorite memory or interview at Hangout? Do you guys have one in specific that you can think of?
Wow.
Probably having Edward Sharp and the Magnetic Zeros
Wow.
in for a performance. And, a lot of the bands we have, they come in and do a backstage performance, and they're kind of stripped down. Maybe sometimes only 3 or 4 guys in the band come.
Right.
Well, they insisted on bringing the entire band, which is 12 people.
Wow.
After
So-
they got off stage.
So we had 12
What?
people in a bus
Performing.
trying to perform a song. It was
With a lot of
Pretty-
patchouli.
no pun intended.
What's a lot of patchouli?
I don't know, but I like it.
I want that on a t-shirt. That's a
I know.
lot of patchouli.
Well, there's a ton of great acts this Hangout Fest. You guys want to go to the beach?
Yeah, let's go. Let's see them. Well, I know I'm excited about seeing Lumineers, right?
Yeah, a little.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey. Yeah, that's a big
Hey-ho.
song.
Awesome.
Oh.
What'd you call me?
Hey, whoa.
Oh.
Uh-oh. See, we might see one of those fights right now.
I told
Can
you.
you speed up? How fast does this go?
Well,
I'm
I'm really excited about Vampire Week.
Yes.
My favorite
They're
stuff.
so good.
Non-believers.
Yeah,
We've
and
got a lot of new artists that are coming in too.
we do Jade Bird,
Shade.
Interrupters.
Yeah.
So there's some Red Clay Strays. Our own Red Clay Strays are going to
That's
play.
awesome.
People,
A
Ellie
little
DeVay.
local band action there.
Well, thank you all for coming along with our ride-along.
Oh man, thanks for the ride.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
this
It's
is
a lot
nice.
better than walking.
Of
Yeah,
course.
it
Funny
is.
looks we're getting for hitchhiking because apparently it's not a thing anymore.
Well, that's okay. Let's head to the Hangout Fest.
Go!